Hey guys, welcome back to the EMNGEE channel. I'm Monday, and in today's video I'm going to be making some moist banana nut muffins. So before I get into the video, I just want you guys to subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think or if you guys made it, and don't forget to like the video. So let's get into it.
What we do here is go back.
Alright, so these are the ingredients that I'm using. I am using two different flours, but you don't have to use two different flours. I'm using coconut flour and I'm also using all-purpose flour. You're going to need organic cane sugar, but you can also use whatever other sugar you would like, brown sugar or white sugar. I do recommend you using refined coconut oil only because the unrefined coconut oil does have that coconut taste to it. I'm also using apple cider vinegar, baking soda and baking powder, cinnamon and vanilla. Walnuts are optional, or chocolate, but I'm using chopped walnuts and 2 very ripe bananas. So let's get to it. Alright, so now that you have all your ingredients, you're going to preheat your oven to 350. And we're going to start off with the wet ingredients. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your 2 ripe bananas and just kind of mash them with a fork in a bowl, kind of like this. And then we're just going to add all the wet ingredients in with the bananas. So after you mash the bananas, you're going to put all your wet ingredients in with it. So you're going to take 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. You're going to take 2 teaspoons of vanilla, or however much you want. And you're going to take 1/3 cup of coconut oil, refined, remember. And then we're just going to mix all that up. So after you add all your wet ingredients to the bananas, the mashed bananas, you're just going to mix them up just like this. Mix it up really good. After you mix them up, just going to put that to the side and we're going to work on the dry ingredients next. So with the dry ingredients, I just put 2/3 of coconut flour and all-purpose flour. Use whatever flour you would like. I have 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to put that in the bowl. And I have 1 teaspoon of salt, baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon. And we're just going to put that in the bowl as well and mix. After you have incorporated all the dry ingredients pretty well, you're just going to take your wet ingredients and put it with the dry ingredients. Delicious. And mix it up real good. Honestly, this batter might look a little weird texture, but trust me, I'm telling you, it's gonna be good. Hey, I just wanted to interrupt this video really quick to mention a few things I did off camera. I added some plant-based milk to the batter just because the batter was a little too thick for my liking. If I didn't mention it already in the video, make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees and spray your muffin tins if they are not non-stick. This recipe can also be made into banana bread if you prefer that, and my muffins did take about 25 to 30 minutes to be done. And that's about it, so enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, so after about 20-25 minutes, your muffins should be done and they should look something like this. They are really good and they are pretty moist. Let me know how you guys like it. Comment it down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright. I should have mentioned my milk.
No. Welcome to the EMNGEE channel. This is what we're making. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. That's it.
Enjoy.
Yeah, enjoy. There you go. Have fun with it. Be yourself. But we got 8 minutes and 59 seconds. 9 minutes.
Comment down below what you think of the video and let's get started.
Say this one more time. Comment below. What did you just say?
Okay, so okay.
Be yourself.
Okay.
Add some personality, some attitude. Come on.
Okay. Yo, what up? I'm kidding. We should do like a rap.
Babe.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to the EMNGEE channel. I'm Monday, and in today's video, we're gonna make some banana nut muffins, vegan style. So good.
I'm taking you to acting school.
No, can
you
you count
audition.
down?
Yep, iCarly in 3, 2.
Okay, no.
1.
Okay.
This is iMonday. These are all the bloopers, so I hope you like these bloopers, everybody.
No, don't.
Alright, then do.
Okay.
The more you take,
Okay.
the more bloopers about this thing.